Welcome to our channel. If you want to Sam's Club upgrade to Plus, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly managed and you achieve the best results. Step 1. Sign in to your account using your credentials and navigate to the account settings or membership section. Step 2. Look for the subscription or membership tier options. This is usually found under billing, subscription, or membership settings. Step 3. Review the available upgrade options and compare the features of different plans. Consider which features are most valuable for your needs. Step 4. Select the plan or tier you want to upgrade to. Make sure you understand the pricing, billing cycle, and included features. Step 5. Review the pricing details and any changes to your billing amount. Check if there are any promotional offers or discounts available. Step 6. Enter or update your payment information if required. Ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Step 7. Confirm the upgrade and review the terms. Pay attention to when the upgrade takes effect and how it affects your billing cycle. Step 8. Complete the transaction and wait for confirmation. You should receive an email confirmation and immediate or scheduled access to the upgraded features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.